So here I will consider category 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all campus, all branch, everything I will consider. So let's get started with the VIT AP rank versus branch. Thereafter, so here is the information that is for VIT AP rank versus branch. So if you want to get CSE with category 1 in AP, then 45,000 rank you should have or less than that. For category 2, you can get up to 92,000 as well. For category 3, 1.3 lakh. Category 4, 5, you can get at any rank because those are very less demandable. So here I would like to inform you one more thing that is very important to understand this data carefully, because these are the expected for this year. So as I have already predicted 100% accurate marks versus rank versus branch every year, you can check my previous year data as well. Already I have guided lots of students. So this year what is going to happen is the branch will be available at very high rank also, because the counseling is going to take place early this year. You can say the first full-fledged counseling of 2023, you can say, that is for BTech admission process is going to happen. So here many students will not take the seat even if they will get the seat, because they will have the chance to join NIT, IIT, JFK, particularly those students who are having reservations, so they will not take VIT surely. So here your chance will be more, so don't go with the convention. Here you need to do the counseling very carefully. So if you talk about CSE specialization, then 66,000 for category 1, category 2 1.2 lakh, category 3 you can get at any, and 4, 5 no need to talk. And for EC 80,000, category 1 1.4 lakh, category 2 and other you can get at any rank. If you just sit in VIT exam, you will able to get, because those are less demandable. Other you can get up to 1 lakh plus rank also, that is category 1 I am talking about. So this was about VIT AP. Similarly I will discuss for Bhopal and Vellore, that is the main campus, and Chennai as well. Before that I would like to inform you about my complete mentorship and guidance program. If you want, you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number. There is a nominal charge for that, but it is very important to have a proper mentor, because here you will get two things with best counseling, that is one is best branch, second is best category, to save your parents money as well. If you are a parent, then also I would like to request you, if you want, you can contact me, because once you miss the chance you will have to pay more fee, because here is this category wise fee structure is there, and also phase wise counseling. You will be allowed to do only one phase of counseling. Already I have uploaded the video regarding the schedule. So if you want, you can contact me. There is a very nominal charge. Once you register, I will be connected to you all the time, one-to-one. You can call me, text me, but all the process will be done under my guidance, that is choice filling, decision making, up to your admission is done. And this is not only for VIT but for other entrance exam also. If you want, you can pay accordingly and you can register with my guidance, that is for all entrance exam across India, whatever you are appearing. Now let's talk about VIT Chennai cutoff, that is category wise. Once again, let me inform you, here it is phase wise. Suppose in phase 1, if some branch cutoff is 19,000 and 19,500, a student will not get the seat obviously, but in next phase 2, there will be some seat that will be remain vacant. That is, you also know, up to 19,000, those students who got the seat, every student will not pay the fee, that is the advance fee payment. Once they will not pay, that seat will be vacant and that will be given in phase 2. So you have to do the smart counseling, otherwise even with 19.5 thousand you will not get that seat. That other student will get at 22,000, because in next phase a student from 20,000 will be eligible. But if you will do it very carefully, you may be eligible for next phase as well. And once you register, I will be taking care of that. So let's get started with the VIT Chennai cutoff. CSE 8,000, category 1, category 2 20,000, category 3 33,000, category 4 41,000, category 5 55,000. So please try to understand my word very carefully. This year counseling is going to happen early, so cutoff will go a little bit higher rank, because most of the students will not pay the fee, so that will reflect in the cutoff also. Many people will provide the information that it will go very low, this happen, that happen, because they just want to get more and more views. Just they want to demotivate the student so that most student will watch the video. But you have to do the counseling carefully. It is about your career, so I can't provide you any fake or wrong information. It is about your life, because once you complete 4 years in VIT, thereafter your career will depend on that. So CSE specialization 15,000, 30,000, 45,000, 60 and 80,000, that is respectively for category 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if you talk about for EC 30,000, 45,000, 65,000, 80,000, 1 lakh, that is for category 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if you talk about for ECM, that is electrical and computer engineering, 35,000, 50, 70, 85 and 1 lakh, that is up to 1 lakh only you can get the admission in VIT Chennai and VIT Vellore. Other two campuses are available after 1 lakh rank as well. Other branch if you want to take, that is civil, mechanical, this type of branch, then 55,000 also you will get category 1 and category 2 up to 1 lakh. Now if you talk about VIT Bhopal, this is the very underrated college, but the placement is very good of this college. You can choose this as well. CSE up to 50,000 you will get in category 1, category 2 up to 1.2 lakh, category 3, 4, 5 no need to talk, you can get at any rank. CSE specialization 65,000 and 1.3 lakh, that is for CS category 1, category 2 respectively. EC 90,000, 1.4 lakh, other you can get at any rank. So this was about VIT Bhopal. Now the important, that is most important data for VIT Vellore. Please try to listen my word very carefully. Here you need to get the complete information, and this year the cutoff will go a little bit higher rank as compared to previous year, because this time many students will be looking for BITSAT, Manipal, JEE Mains, that is JOSA counseling, CSAB counseling. So many students will not pay the fee. That's why the cutoff will go high. And also one more very important information, in phase 1 they will be providing category 1, 2, 3. In phase 2 they will just consider the category 4, 5, because whatever seat that will be not taken by the student, that will be converted to category 4, 5. There is very less seat in category 1, category 2, category 3, but even that, if that will be vacant, then that will be converted to category 4, 5, because they want to generate more money. So for CSE 1.5 thousand, for category 1, category 2 6,000, category 3 14,000, category 4 25,000, category 5 34,000. Now if you talk about CSC specialization, that is upper specialization like AIML, IoT, these are the branch. So for category 1 3,000 you can get, category 2 9,000, category 3 17,000, category 4 28,000, category 5 40,000. Now if you talk about IT, then 4,000, 10,000, 18, 30 and 42,000, it is category 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 respectively. Now if you talk about for CSC specialization with lower specialization, that is CSBS or blockchain technology or bioinformatics, that will be available up to 6,000 for category 1, 11,000 category 2, 20, 33 and 45, that is for category 3, 4, 5. If you don't know about category, I will provide you a video that is based on fee structure, placement, everything in the same channel very soon you will get. So please try to subscribe the channel. Now if you talk about for EC, 8,000, 15, 24, 35, 55, that is for category 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 respectively. For EEE, 25,000, 5,000 and 1 lakh. Civil 30,000, 7,000, 1 lakh. Mechanical 35, 80, 1 lakh. That is for category 1, 2, 3. Above 1 lakh you can't get the admission in VIT Vellore, you can get it through management quota. Lower 50,000 and 1 lakh, that is for category 1 and category 2.